Hello and welcome to my new video. This is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a whole website using AI. It's less than 5 minutes. This is amazing, right? So let's get started. First, I'm going to google.com, then charge Hocoos AI. This link I will in description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. There is no doubt. First, I need to log in here. I highly recommend you for logging using your Gmail because this is very easy process. Wow, my login is successfully done here. So I want to create a website. First, I need to click on add new website because I have already a few website and create using this website. I already created. Now I need to select what type of website I want to create. Example of I want to create an online store, online service, course, a blog, portfolio, restaurant, etc. etc. Then I want to type and create a portfolio website. I want to create a portfolio website for me because I am a freelancer. I need to provide service and I select portfolio. Then again click on continue. Now I want to collect testimonial, get new customer, get booking. I select those three because I need a new buyer. Then this buyer and order me in this website. Then I collect testimonial. This is a very important topic because I need more review for attractive and getting more. It's help to get more buyer. Then I need to select if you have a physical address, then select physical address. Then if you don't have a physical address, don't worry, select online business only. So I have a physical address, so I want to select this one. So first one, then zip code. So I want to select example of, and I select this code. Oh, then I select this one, then click on continue. Is very easy way. Nobody can tell you about this secret because everybody want to hide their tips and tricks, but I want to show you because I love you guys. So what you want your business to call as a branding name. This is a very important topic. So I select a branding name, example of SEO services USA. This is my branding name. You can choose any other's name. This does not matter. As you like, please select. Now I need to select three aspect highlight for attractive a client, example of affordable price and friendly service and easy navigation. So this is I need three select. You can choose any other three. This does not matter actually. So if you want to what type of a method a client contact you, phone number, email address, contact from. So I highly recommend you for first two options because website forum are very popular and email are also more popular. So I select number one because I very like this option. Then I need to select a theme. So this is look like better than others. You can choose number one or two, this as you like. So I need to color palette. I select number one because this is more easier and attractive. So my website are already done, so I need to select and font. So I click on create my website. So this is a final step processing my website. I need to wait 1 or 2 minutes for whole processing website. It's depend on your internet speed. Site has been created. So if you want to transfer this website on your own domain address, this is possible because use custom domain. Just click here, then type your domain address, then connect this website. But if you don't have a custom domain, don't worry, this website and company provide you a custom URL. It's only for you. So if you want to more video about this type of, please comment below. I'll try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care. Bye.